Hello everyone, happy weekend. So we just ended the first month of the year, for the month of January. We give thanks to the Lord for the month, for His blessings, His protection, and His provision for our lives and our families. So without further ado, let's hop right into the video and see what news events affected price for the week that just ended, and what are we expecting for the first week of the second month of the year, February. So Monday 26th to Friday 30th of January was the last week of the month, right? So Monday we have so I added all these low impact news to the news lookout, right? I think it's from here. So this red folder means high impact news. Then this yellowish folder means low impact news, and this is not really relevant. Then this stands for bank holidays. So I added this to the news watch. So for Monday we have low impact news on Euro and USD. Then Tuesday the same thing on USD. Wednesday we have FOMC. So that was the main news for the week. So this was the main news for the week for USD, right? Then Thursday we also have news on USD. Then Friday JPY and Euro and USD as well. So this is the news event for the last week of the month, for the month of January. And for the new week, so every first week of the month is NFP week, right? So the dollar will be experiencing NFP for around 2:30 p.m. on Friday. So this will be the main news for the week, and pound as well will be having also some news as well on Thursday. So pound and USD will be having the main news for the week. Then Euro, couple of news, and JPY, there's no news on JPY. So let's hop right into the charts and see how these news events affected price for the last week of the month. So this is the daily time frame for the dollar, right? So each candles in this time frame present a day worth of trading, and this is where the week started from. This is Monday, and we see Tuesday trading lower. We take out this low. So we'll be seeing how the dollar has been trading lower, right? So for the last week of the month, we see continuation of that. Then on Tuesday, we take out the low. Then Wednesday, we trade higher. And Thursday, we trade higher. And Friday, we see the dollar trying to retrace back into this new range, right? So for the new week, I want to see what dollar will do around this fair value gap, this weekly fair value gap, and as well this huge daily fair value gap as well. So Monday and Tuesday, I want to see what price will do here. If we're going to go higher, we'll see. If we're going to go lower, this fair value gap should act as what? As resistance to go lower. As this one acted as resistance to go lower here, I want to see this one play the same role as this fair value gap in this area on the dollar. So that is that for the dollar, right? Let's hop right into the euro and see how this news event affected euro for the week. So the euro has been bullish due to the dollar being weak, right? We have been seeing the euro being bullish, been trading higher, right? Then we see the last week of the month open with this candle Monday. Then Tuesday trades higher. The aggressive pump we see on the dollar going down. We see an opposite mirror image of the euro going higher. Then the dollar tries to gain its strength of around Wednesday to Friday, and we see the same thing playing out on euro. We see the euro go lower Wednesday. Then we see Thursday there was nothing on Thursday. Then we see Friday trade lower. So for the euro, I'm watching this fair value gap. If I want to see a continuation higher, I want this fair value gap to act as well support, right? Then if I were to go lower, I want this fair value gap to act as what? Resistance to go lower. So that's about that for the euro. And GBP/USD is the same thing. If the dollar is going lower, you want to see GU and euro, and GU and EU go higher, right? So I'll be watching this fair value gap for the week, for the new week of the next month of February, right? So I'm watching this fair value gap to see if price, wants to trade into this fair value gap and either find support or resistance to go either higher or lower. So for the month of January, for both pound and the euro, we'll see really good bullish price action for the euro and the pound. Then we'll see dollar go lower due to fundamentals and the whole crisis going on. So that's about that for the euro. Let's hop right into gold and see how gold did for the week. So this is gold. Gold had a crazy day on Friday. So gold has been bullish for the past few months, even for the new month of the first month of the year for January, right? Gold has been really bullish. So we see gold open up on Monday, being bullish, Tuesday continuation, Wednesday continuation, then Thursday plays this high, then we see Friday make a huge retracement. That was crazy. Friday made a huge retracement on gold. Gold was down on Friday about 14%. That's crazy. So I'll be watching this fair value gap to see what gold will do for having a bounce or want to go lower. We'll see on gold. So I'll be watching this fair value gap and see what Monday and Tuesday will do and what they will do with NFP news and all that. So that's about that on gold. And silver had an even more crazier day. See how silver exploded low on Friday. I think silver was down about 38% on Friday. So this is the prior all-time high. I think this is the new all-time high for silver, right? So I'll be watching this fair value gap or this one. So if this one will hold as support, I want to see higher prices. But if this one will not hold, I want to see this next weekly fair value gap to be traded to, then for higher prices. So that's about that for silver and gold. What about Bitcoin? Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. So Bitcoin has been crazy bullish, crazy bearish, crazy bearish. So Bitcoin has been dropping for the month of January. Bitcoin has been dropping, and we see how this fair value gap, this candle's low and this candle's high, right? We see how this fair value gap held price. We see price going lower and trading lower. So I'll be watching this low to see what Bitcoin will do with this low, right? So for the last month for the last week of the first month of the year, we see Bitcoin open up on Monday, trying to make a retracement into this old fair value gap, right? Then we see Wednesday put in the high of the week. Thursday made an aggressive retreat, lower price on Bitcoin, right? Then we'll see a continuation on Friday, and Saturday we'll see a continuation as well. So if Saturday will close like this, then maybe Sunday we'll take out this low, or Saturday we'll take out this low, then we'll have Sunday having a retracement higher. So I'll be watching Bitcoin to see what will happen to this low, either today or tomorrow, right? So that's about that for Bitcoin, and even Ethereum as well. Ethereum is going lower, and you see Ethereum trading lower as well as Bitcoin. So for the crypto space, everything is just going lower. Crazy, right? So that's about that for the crypto. And thank you for your time. If you're able to stay to the end of the video, happy weekend and have a great Sunday. Peace. Please like and subscribe and share the video. Please.